The next and most important step is to complete activation by verifying your account, which takes less than 5 minutes to do. If you don't verify your account, you will not be able to withdraw your funds. To verify your account, click Complete Activation here. This will redirect you to Verif, our partner for ID verification. Click Continue. Here you'll see a few options to get verified. For those with a smartphone, you can scan the QR code or have a link sent to you by text. If you don't have a smartphone, you can click Continue with your current device here. Next, you'll be prompted to prepare to take a photo of your passport or another government-issued ID and take a selfie. This process ensures payments and funds are going to the correct person. It will take up to a maximum of 24 hours for your account to be completely verified.